Hello everyone! Welcome back! Today we have a fun activity planned. We use some fruits and vegetables and try to be creative with them.
Shrey, what do we need to get started with the first activity?
Cauliflower sheep. We have used cauliflower as the body and carrot sticks for the legs of the sheep. It's creative, isn't it?
Now, we have one more challenge. We need to dress up a pineapple. Let's get ready.
Shrey, along with the pineapple, can you get other things needed?
A pineapple parrot. We have used pineapple slices, cucumber slices, and olives to make eyes of the parrot. It's beautiful, isn't it? Do you know what our next challenge is? Get ready to wiggle and jiggle, like you have 8 arms. Let's get ready.
Let me go and get some bell peppers.
A bell pepper octopus. We have used bell pepper as octopus body and slices as tentacles.
It's awesome, isn't it? Do you know what our next challenge is? We need a vegetable so big it could swallow a school bus. Let's get ready.
Let me go and get some eggplant and mushrooms.
A eggplant whale. We have used mushrooms for the fins on the body and small cuts on eggplant to create eyes and mouth. It's wonderful, isn't it? Do you know what our next challenge is? We are going to build something so small it still sleeps inside its egg. Let's get ready.
Could you please go and get some boiled eggs and carrots?
A egg chick. We have used peppercorns for the eyes and small carrot cuts to create feet and beak. Do you know what our next challenge is? We need a vegetable big enough to use as a tiny roof, with a handle to hold on to. Let's get ready.
Could you please get some large mushrooms and celery?
A mushroom umbrella!
Wow, that looks so cool and amazing. Look at these green celery stems. We did a great job, didn't we?
Thank you for being with us. We had so much fun with our creations today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
We will meet you again in our next video. Bye-bye! And hit the bell icon so you can get updates on all our new adventures and learning games. See you soon!